Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Specifically, we'll demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here, guys, in the garage. Now, if you have a different year, but that generation, the video may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes. One fuse box is located under the hood on your F-150 in the engine bay right above the radiator fan. The other one, guys, is inside the vehicle. That's the one that we need for the airbag module fuse. It's in the passenger compartment under the glove box in the kick panel right here. You remove the cover, and once you open the fuse box, it will look just like that. Now, we zoomed it so we can show you everything with a great detail. Now, let's explain first why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we need to check, guys, we need to come right here. That's the first row. Second row, we go to third row right here. That's the third row right there, guys. Now the fuse that we'll need to check is known as fuse number 36, guys. So that will be starting from that relay. You're going to count fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4. That fuse right here, guys, that fuse is number 36. So that's the fuse that you will need to check for the airbag and restraint control module, guys. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.